Sit down, sit down.
There's a contradiction.
He is on the, having the floor. Shuklaji, sit down. Sit down, sit down. You see, you listen to me. I am not going to allow your discussion on that ruling. For that matter, we cannot have a discussion on that ruling. But I have no objection. You have every right to disagree with the ruling. You can disagree also. Now listen. But if at all, if you want to even to raise that issue, you raise it at the appropriate time. That is when the private members bill is taken. That ruling was given at the private members regarding the private members bill.
Point I want to make,
at that time, when the private members bill is taken up, you can raise it, not now.
Sir, please
not
listen
now.
to me.
So nothing more.
Sir, the point I want to make is,
no, nothing more.
The speaker
nothing more will go on record.
Not a money bill.
You can raise at that time. Now that is okay. No. Right. We will go by the constitution. No problem. If you want a discussion, yeah. That's what I am saying. No. Do one thing. Send you give a notice. Now listen. Give a notice for a discussion on money bill. You give a notice, chair, and we will request the chairman. No, that's what I am saying. You give a notice. You are referring to a private members bill, which you do at the appropriate time, not now. Sit down. Nothing more will go on record. Nothing more will go on record. Nothing more will go on record. Sit down. Nothing more will go on record. Why this money bill idea don't upon you now? When demonetization is to be discussed, I don't know how it came now. You should raise it at the private members' day, because this is regarding a private members' bill. See, Nareshi, with regard to you, I have already said that constitution.
आपने अभी कहा कि चूंकि नोटबंदी का मामला चल रहा है, आपने क्यों इसको उठाया? उसी से संबंधित चूंकि बिल लोकसभा में आया, मैं कहीं अलग नहीं
वो बिल इधर आएगा उस समय
इस मारे हम नहीं आऊँ।
अरे दैट बिल विल कम।
मैं एक प्रस्ताव करता हूँ। मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूँ और भी प्रस्ताव करता हूँ। माननीय उपसभापति, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूँ कि ये सदन बहुमत से इस बात से राजी है कि आर्टिकल 110 पर इस सदन की एक सर्वदलीय कमेटी बनाई जाए जो अपना विचार समय पर दे, चाहे 1 महीना कर दिए चाहे 2 महीने, अपना विचार दे। मेरा एक प्रस्ताव है, इस पर वोटिंग करा लीजिए। प्रस्ताव पे वोटिंग करा लीजिए।
प्रस्ताव I am not permitting now. I am not permitting the motion now.
Why you are not permitting?
No.
For a house,
there is a procedure for that.
जो है सबसे बड़ी है।
There is a procedure for that.
बड़ी हाउस की ओपिनियन है।
Now listen. There is a procedure for that. For a motion, there is a procedure. So I am not allowing that. But if you want to give a motion, give a notice. Give a notice. If you want to have a motion, give a notice. Yeah. Sit down. See, there is nothing to give a ruling here because Constitution is very clear about money bill. What is a money bill? What is not a money bill? All are defined in the Constitution. And if you have any specific complaint, you can give notice. We will consider it. No problem. It is very clear. But you can give notice if you want. Yeah. Constitution is very clear about what is a money bill, what is not a money bill, and who is to decide that. So there is procedure. If you want constitution amendment, there is a procedure. Go by that. No discussion on demonetization of currency. Next name is Dilip Kumar Turki. No. A.U. Singdev. A.U. Singdev. You can start discussion. doing the same slogan. का नहीं MO is fine. Yes, laying your papers, Sri Manohar, Arjun Ram Meghwal. Okay, thank you.
Yes, same. Everybody is saying Prime Minister Zindabad.
This is unity.
Yeah, same.
Is it unity I am saying? Same slogan or different slogan?
Both sides are. हर साइड पे बोल रहे हैं जिंदाबाद, क्योंकि आज पूरा देश प्रधानमंत्री जिंदाबाद बोल रहा है, तो ये लोग भी वही बोल रहे हैं सर।
You don't want discussion. So when are you going to have discussion? When are you going to have discussion? No. Honorable lady member. No, honorable lady member. One second. No, please. No, 1 second. I only want, see, please, I only want to know, see, it is already clear and it has been said in the House that Honorable Prime Minister will come to the House and intervene. Then see, listen. No, see, I heard the leader of the House on the other day in this very House gave assurance that Honorable PM will come and participate. No, when, let me say, you start the, I am telling you, you start the discussion. See, you start the discussion. Let us start the discussion, and then it will happen. You want to say something? You want to say something? बोलिए।
मैं ये चाहता हूँ सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Listen to him.
मैं सिर्फ ये अनुरोध कर रहा हूँ कि संपूर्ण सदन चाहता है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी सदन में आए।
Okay.
प्रधानमंत्री जी
I am sorry.
के अंतर्गत सदन में आमंत्रित कर रहे हैं।
I know there is no point in my shouting. I will have to adjourn the house. The house stands adjourned till 11 a.m. on Wednesday, 30th December.